closer look at the 2025 Toyota minibus, examining its specs, features, and what makes it a standout choice for those in need of a reliable and spacious vehicle. Toyota has always been a trusted name in the automotive world, and the 2025 Toyota minibus continues this tradition with impressive improvements and innovative additions. The 2025 Toyota minibus offers a sleek, modern design while maintaining the versatility and functionality required for passenger transport. With a more refined exterior, the new model exudes confidence on the road, making it a great option for both business and personal use. The exterior dimensions are optimized for greater maneuverability, ensuring it can navigate city streets and tight parking spaces without hassle, all while providing ample interior space. Inside, the minibus offers seating configurations that can accommodate up to 15 passengers, providing maximum comfort and flexibility. Whether you're using it for family trips, a shuttle service, or any other transport needs, the cabin is thoughtfully designed to cater to a variety of passenger needs. Premium seating materials ensure a comfortable ride, and the overall layout has been designed to allow for easy entry and exit. Advanced climate control systems have been integrated, ensuring all passengers can enjoy a comfortable temperature, regardless of the weather outside. Toyota has also equipped the 2025 minibus with a range of tech features that enhance the driving and passenger experience. The infotainment system is upgraded, offering a user-friendly interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Whether you're looking to play your favorite tunes or access navigation features, everything is easily controlled through the intuitive touchscreen. The system also supports voice recognition, allowing drivers to make hands-free calls, set destinations, and adjust settings with minimal distraction. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota minibus is powered by a choice of efficient and robust engine options. Whether you opt for the traditional gasoline-powered engine or the more environmentally friendly hybrid model, the minibus promises excellent fuel efficiency and a smooth ride. The hybrid version, in particular, is an appealing option for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing power and performance. In terms of safety, Toyota has